Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm starting monthlies for the month of July, and now I'm doing reading for Leo sun, moon and rising people. Let's start and see what are the messages for the Leo people. This is a general read, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. King of Wands, Star, Two of Swords, Strength, High Priestess, Two of Cups, Sun, Eight of Swords, Nine of Wands, Nine of Swords. Okay. Bottom is Chariot. Okay, let's figure it out. Okay, first thing first, I'm not specifying this reading with a relationship reading, love reading or career reading. It's a general read, so every type of message we will discuss, every type of possibility we will discuss. Okay, situation is King of Wands. It can be yourself, it can be Leo because it's a fire sign, or it may be someone else in your life who is behaving like a king, who is trying to take some sort of initiative. King of Wands is a very passionate card, very spiritual. It has a go getter type of energy with this card. So there is someone, or it might be you, who is trying to start something, who is trying to act upon what they have thought or planned. And I feel this planning has taken a lot of time, because in the past, in the deep past, you weren't talking with anyone, you weren't discussing your plans with anyone, you were in complete silent mode, just sitting there thinking, planning. You weren't sure how to move ahead, but after this phase you have decided certain things and you really act upon those points. Though you must have find a lot of difficulty in that, but again let me tell you that this card shows me that you are in your true spirit, you are truly fighting with the inner fears, inner demons, whatever hurdles and hindrances are there in your life, you are truly fighting with that. Now is the time to get some sort of healing for yourself. This card shows me that your path ahead is clear, and you are getting some sort of healing from someone, or you might be achieving what you have decided to achieve, and now it's a time to unwind yourself. Interestingly enough, I have two cards, bottom of the reading and crowning the reading. Both cards are somewhat similar. This is the major arcana with the High Priestess, and and this is its smaller version, Two of Swords. Both the personality are, if you can see, sitting very quietly, basically looking inside. High Priestess is trying to get that secret knowledge, that hidden knowledge intuitively, and on the other hand, Two of Swords is also just after calming your own inner emotions, you are just trying to focus on things without acting anything. You are trying to figure out how to move ahead. I feel you are working right now quietly. You are not opened to a lot of people. You are not sharing you with whatever is there in your mind. On the other hand, there is also a possibility that you are not talking to someone. In the past, you are not talking to someone, and still there is a thought in your mind that you won't be talking to the same person in your life. Though I can see that not maybe not in the July, but just after July there is a possibility of getting a reconnected with the same person. But right now you are not talking, you are simply expecting that person to come towards you, and I feel this King of Wands showing the same person. And you consider the same that person your happiness, your lifeline. Now why that person is not coming? There is some sort of problem going on in their life as well, and they are in some kind of situation where they are not able to decide what they have to do. Though they are planning to take some sort of action towards you, but still they are not very much sure how to proceed. I feel it will take some time, maybe after mid July. It is a possibility of for them to get a better clarity. There is a possibility that person has some bad aspects from Mercury in their chart, or maybe with having some sort of aspects with the planet Neptune. But later on in the reading I can see that you yourself are determined to stay in the same position. You are not ready to leave your stance, you are not ready to leave your fight, you are not ready to leave this situation, or you are not ready to drop your weapon. I feel there is something which is due on the other person, and you are expecting them to come forward and say some sort of sorry, or maybe you are expecting some sort of explanation from them. On the other hand, you are standing tall and you are not ready to take a back seat in this situation, or you are not ready to leave this point, but on the same time you are very much worried how things will proceed. On one hand you are fighting very hard, but on the other hand you are just crying, not able to sleep well, worried how things will move, how should I move, or how should I proceed. This is the whole thing going on with you. But I feel again for you as well, I feel this is a temporary situation, and it will take couple of weeks, most probably mid July, and after that situation can turn into a better thing. You really need to keep on working, you really need to stand on your 2 feet. Don't leave this point, don't leave your ground. If there is something and you feel that you are on the right track, or you are on the right point, then you should not leave that. Don't leave this fight, you have to stand. And as far as this tense looking picture is concerned, or tense looking card is concerned, I feel you seriously need to do some sort of meditation, and you seriously need to connect yourself with the divine forces. Your intuition will guide you, because you have this card over here, High Priestess, very intuitive card. You are able to connect with the divine forces, and soon you will be getting some sort of healing from there as well. So this was the reading for Leos. I really have this belief that after July, after mid July, you guys are going to have a good time. The person you are dealing with might be coming back towards you, offering you a cup of love again, though they want to do the same thing right now. But as I have mentioned the planetary positions, everyone is disturbed due to all this planetary aspects are disturbing everyone. This is what I want to say. Okay, so this was the reading for Leo. I will see you with the next reading next month. Till then, take care. Bye.